Two videos. So this is going to be part one of my Mexican market haul. And I only have two food items. The rest is cleaning supplies. And the store is called La Raza. So it's called La Raza Mexican supermarket. So I went there and I picked up this huge big bottle of this lemon scented, huge gallon, gigantic bottle of lemon laundry detergent. And that one's very thick. It's not watery. I also picked up some Dermassage dish soap. So if the video cuts out, sorry guys, I'll just do part two after this because I want to take my time reviewing these products. I also got this. This is the dish soap paste. And this is good for cleaning dishes. This is from Mexico. It's a nice big, tub of that. Then I picked up this one from Mexico. Looks like that. It's just like the dish soap I bought last time. It's like an aloe vera creamy scent. So that's like a dish soap paste. Like you scoop it and you wash, scrub your pots and pans. I got this one here. This one's from Mexico and it smells like fresh fruits and berries or whatever. And then this one here, this also is from Mexico. Picked that up. Then I picked up this one from Mexico. Looks like that. I also got this one. It's a laundry dish soap paste. Then I picked up this laundry detergent here. It comes with a sample. Has a different scent and it comes with the sample. So I got that. Got some Caprice shampoos. They have other scents there like red apple and other stuff. Love Caprice. I also buy their hairsprays online because it's from Mexico. So this one is like a vitamin ceramide, silky, creamy type of shampoo. And then I got this one. This is another one. It's a new one that I've never seen. Then I got the green herbal one. Looks like that. It's a nice green bottle. Then I picked up some perfume Downy. This is the yellow flower one. Then I got this one from Mexico. This is another Downy. Then I picked up this one, the red roses from Downy. Smells really good. Those are fabric softeners. I did pick up a gallon of milk over there and some Diet Pepsi. So I don't need to show that because I'm always showing those. I got another laundry detergent. This is pink. This one is from Mexico. Then I got this one. This is the white one, Roma, from Mexico. And then the last thing I picked up there is this laundry detergent again. It's a nice big bottle. And then, like I said, I did pick up Diet Pepsi. And then I did pick up, a big gallon of 2% milk. And that's it, guys. So I guess I don't really have to break down these videos. So that's all I bought at the Mexican La Raza market. But anyway, thanks for watching. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.